Unfortunately, I think I'm stuck with this gimmick. Right. How many folks have seen me mess around with these before? Heard about it. Alright. This one here has twice the spring tension of what you guys have seen me do. Don't ask me why I doubled the spring tension, because I really can't answer that. Alright, I have a little visual demo here. The worst part is arming the trap. This is when like mishaps happen. It's like one thing if I'm doing it because I intend to do it. It's another thing entirely if I do it by accident. Definitely don't want to get you guys covered with bone shards.
Thanks for looking out for us, man.
Hopefully it's just this bone.
It'll be like a Gallagher concert.
This is like pork feet. Kind of demonstrates the sheer idiocy of what I'm doing here. But there's a lesson in all this. I'm sure a lot of you guys understand it. We got some real barbarians in the crowd here. It's about fear. It's about being prepared for any situation. I prepared all my life to do stuff like this, not stuff like this, but to defend my family, defend this country, whatever. And once you do something, you know it's not going to hurt you, you just don't care. Pain is temporary, as Ernie will tell you. And not saying go home and stick your hand in traps, kids. Alright, so everybody watching this little demo here.
Don't come on ice.